Hi, Rocketeers. Welcome back to Phonics with Mrs. Myers. I hope you had a great Monday. We're going to go ahead and get started with our lesson today. And remember, this week we are focusing on words with silent letters, or what Mrs. Myers likes to call silent ghost letter digraphs. Let's go ahead and jump right into our lesson today by starting with some warm-ups. Go ahead and warm up your hands. Warm them up, warm them up. It's time to rhyme. Clap one time. What's a rhyming word? Rhyming words sound the same at the end. Very good. Now, I'm going to give you 3 words, and I want you to shout out the word that does not rhyme. I'm going to give you 3 words. Shout out the word that does not rhyme. Here we go. See, he, joy. Again, see, he, joy. The word that does not rhyme is joy. Very good. No, boy, go. Again, no, boy, go. The word that does not rhyme is boy. Very good. Can, pan, coin. Again, can, pan, coin. Which word does not rhyme? The word that does not rhyme is coin. Very good, because the words can and pan have the sound an at the end. Let's do 2 more. Feel, seal, foil. Again, feel, seal, foil. The word that does not rhyme is foil. Very good. Last one. Spy, spoil, buy. Again, buy, spoil, buy. The word that does not rhyme is spoil. Very good. I know spy and spoil have the same sound at the beginning, but remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end. And spy and buy have the sound I at the end, that long I sound. Very good. All right, friends, go ahead and warm up those hands. It's time for our second warm-up. It's time to segment. Clap 2 times. Arms out. Ready? The word is joint. Say it. Joint. Sound it. Joint. The word is point. Say it. Point. Sound it. Point. The word is coins. Say it. Coins. Sound it. Coins. Very good. 2 more. The word is moist. Say it. Moist. Sound it. Moist. 1 more. Ooh, my arm. Oh, let's pause here. 1 second. I'm getting a phone call. Okay. So sorry about that phone call, but let's keep going. We're going to go ahead and go up to our next warm up. Go ahead and warm up your hands. It's time to substitute. Clap 3 times. The word is coil. Say it. Coil. Oil. Take out. Substitute. Oil. The word is boil. Very good. The word is boil. Say it. Boil. Oil. Take out. Substitute. Oil. The word is foil. Very good. The word is foil. Say it with me. Foil. Take out. Substitute. The word is soil. Nice. The word is soil. Say it with me. Soil. Take out. Substitute. The word is coil. Very good. Let's go ahead and do 1 more. We're going to add, warm up those hands. It's time to add. Clap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. Now I'm going to tell you a word. You're going to add either an ending sound or a beginning sound. Let's start with some ending sounds. Ready? The word is spoil. Say it with me. Spoil. Add ing. The word is spoiling. Very good. The word is broil. Say it with me. Broil. Add er. The word is broiler. Very good. Now let's add some beginning sounds. Here we go. The word is foil, say it. Foil. At the beginning, add tin. The word is tin foil. Very good. The word is point. Say it. Point. Add up. The word is a point. That's a tricky one. Last one. The word is boy. Say it. Boy. Add cow. The word is cowboy. Very good. Warm up those hands. Awesome, awesome work. All right, go ahead and bring it all the way up. Clap one time. Nice work, friend. All right, my darlings. Now, instead of me reading you a short story with our special sound today, we're going to go ahead and reinforce our skill that we've been practicing all week. Now, yesterday, we learned about this ghost letter digraph. And yesterday, we focused on this one. Let's say it together. K-N makes the sound. Today, we're going to meet a new ghost. Are you ready to see which one it is? Let's go ahead and practice this sound together. Today, we are focusing on, where is he? This one. And this one's kind of hard to read, so I'll do it with you. Ready? G-N makes the sound. Here he is. Oh, this one. Let's come up a little bit. There we go. We're going to try one more time. Ready? G-N makes the sound. Let me write it down for you. This might be a tricky one for you because there's not too many words with this spelling digraph, but it's good to know in case we see it, right? Let's say it one more time. Do your hand motions with me. This is G. Ready? Do it with me. G-N makes the sound just like nose or like our other digraph we learned yesterday. Let's go ahead and practice this together. I'm only going to write one word today because, like I said, there's not too many words with this digraph, and I want us to practice some spelling in it. Ready? Remember, the G is silent. Doesn't say anything. This word has 4 letters, but there's actually only 2 sounds. This A-W makes the sound ah. Let's go ahead and sound out this word together. Sound it with me. Ah, na. Again. Ah, na. To gnaw on something means when you eat something, you kind of have to chew on it a lot. That's called na. It's a verb because it's an action. All right, friends, let's go ahead and watch a video. I'm going to play a video for you to practice some of these GN digraph words so that you can recognize them in other words that might come up. Let's practice these together. Let's watch this video. Yes, here we go.
Silent G. The G is silent. Gnaw. Gnat. Gnome. Sign. Design. Resign.
All right, awesome job. We're gonna watch that video a little later. Let's go ahead and practice some spelling. If you need one, we're gonna go ahead and use our whiteboard and marker and our paper and our pencil. If you need one now, go ahead and pause the video, go grab your marker and whiteboard or your paper and pencil. If you have it already, go ahead and set up your board. We're gonna practice. Let's practice 5 today because we're challenging our brains for 2nd grade. You have 5 words today. Go ahead, write them out. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's practice. We'll put a square around our sound today. Ready? Here we go. First word. The word is gnat. Say it with me, gnat. A gnat is a small little bug that can buzz in your ear. Sometimes they buzz, sometimes they don't. The word is gnat. Arm out. Sound it with me. At, gnat. Again, at, gnat. As in, there was a gnat over my food. Gnat. Let's go ahead and write this word together. First sound. What digraph are we using today? GN makes a sound. Ah. Let's put our dots. Ah. The word is gnat. Very good. Go ahead and put a square around your digraph. Good job. Today we're focusing on GN, makes the sound. Here's our next word. The word is sign. Say it with me. Sign. Arm out. Sound it with me. I, again. I, as in, I saw a sign on the side of the road. Sign. Let's sound it together. First sound. I, and I'll give you a hint. This one only has the letter I today. I. Today we're focusing on GN, makes the sound. Very good. Let's put our dots. Sound it out with me. I. The word is sign. Very good. Put a square around your digraph today. There we go. Nice work, Rocketeers. Let's do our next word. The word is Nash. Say it with me. Nash. Sound it with me. Sh. Again. Sh. Nash. I don't really know what Nash means. Let's Google it real fast. Nash, what does that mean? It means to grind one's teeth together. It's usually when you're angry. Nash. We learned something new together. Awesome. Let's go ahead and write it together. Ready? First sound. Using our digraph. Ah. Next sound. What two letters make sh? S-H. Very good. Let's put our dots. Do it with me. Ah. Sh. The word is Nash. Very good. Put a square around your digraph. Awesome work. Let's do the next one. This is a tricky one. The word is gnarl. Say it with me. Gnarl. Ready? Sound it out. R-O. Again. R-O. The first sound. Oh, let me give you a sentence. Gnarl. It's usually when an animal is angry. They're called a gnarl when you react that way. Here we go. First sound. Use your digraph. Next sound. R. What two letters make that R sound like a pirate? A-R. R. O. Good job. Let's put our dots. Do it with me. R. O. The word is gnarl. Very good. Put a square around your digraph. GN makes the sound. Let's do one more word together. The word is gnome. Say it with me. Gnome. Sound it out. O-M. again. Gnome. As in, I have a little gnome statue in my garden. Gnome. Let's spell this word together. Ready? First sound. Use your digraph. Next sound. Oh. Next sound. There's a letter that goes at the end of this word to make O say its name. Bossy E, very good. Let's go ahead and put our dots. Do it with me. O. Does Bossy E say anything? Nuh-uh, no way. Very good. The word is gnome. But let's go around your digraph. Awesome job, Rocketeers. Go ahead and check out your hands. Very gently kiss your brain. Give it a little rub. Nice work today. All right, my darlings, we're going to go ahead and read our story for today. Mrs. Myers is going to go ahead and read this story to you. And as she reads today, I want you to really look for those words that have GN, that make the sound Here we go. My turn. Ned is a little garden gnome. Ned the gnome made his home in a hole in the yard under a gnarly old tree. Gnomes love to gnaw and gnash their teeth on apples and nuts. Ned finds an apple above his hole, but there are gnats buzzing around. Get away, you gnats, yelled Ned. Apples are for gnomes, not gnats. All right, my darlings, I hope you enjoyed this story. Mrs. Myers is going to go ahead and link this video for kids meet the phonics digraphs. I'm going to go ahead and link that in your Google form for today so you can watch it after you do your work. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Tomorrow, we're going to go ahead and figure out which of those ghosts has another silent letter digraph. We'll find out tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day, Rocketeers. Bye-bye.